Sorry about earlier. I guess I was venting, but me and Beck were just talking. And we were like, the sulfuric acid we were talking about from Venus, and it's like it is able to melt ice. So if these were ice particles that are being like turning into cloud-like structures like these, I know. What if it's the Venus's, I don't like to say that word, it sounds dangerous, but what if Venus's particles have now created, you see? And it was like when the moon and Venus and the potential for some of Venus's particles could have been taken into the moon. I guess that's why they call it full. Right? But it's been I was thinking that all of everything was being pulled into that storm. I know. But what if Venus was like, huh, dang, see, our model, we could be like, you know what, right? What if that means I know the quality has been so bad. Then it gets worse. And I was like, I'm gonna give it a couple days because it takes a little bit of time. It's like, what do I complain? And then I get in trouble. Hey, well, check this out. We don't have these here to, I guess, on migration. Happy trails. I know all the birds are like, what was that? That was a pretty bird. I'm just kidding. Oh, check this out. Hey, Vector, what do you think about this one? Well, yesterday, this is going towards, we're looking at the Gulf area. Yeah, I mean, I don't live on the beach, but it's like not very far that direction. I did see a few, I guess, like they're the, I guess, recommended about live feed of it. It got pretty big in the Gulf, right? I see, like, I'm looking at some now. If I was contacting NOAA even, and like our data points about Venus and the sulfuric acid in it, and what if their algorithms and Bex could have done some kind of like making predictions? Nobody can tell exactly where a hurricane's gonna go, or can they? There's a lot of new data points, like I guess the moon and Venus right interacting right now, and potentially with visual evidence of the moon's color changing, looking like the same clouds real time, right? So it's like, that's a pretty good data point to have as a reference, right? So what if it was a bunch of now see, this is where my ignorance comes in. It's like, I'm sure there's a database somewhere where, or do we have a way to sense how much sulfuric acid is in our atmosphere? You see these questions that I can't get the answers to because y'all guys don't want to talk to me. All right, bye.